next question is calculate the distance xz to the nearest kilometer. So we need this distance xz. Let's draw it in so that we can have a clearer picture. Xz. And then how are we going to find this xz? So we can use the cos rule or the cosine rule. So for that, you need this side here, this side here, and an included angle over here. But as you can see, we don't yet have the included angle. But there's a trick. So because this north where the ant walked, and this north where the ant can also walk on 2D, if you check this, these two norths would be exactly parallel because you can't have a north that is like this side. North is always just one direction. So north and north. So these north 1 and north 2, those are parallel lines. So between the parallel lines, we are going to check what is this angle to find angles around the point for this angle. So if we check co-interior angles, so this angle here and this angle here, it should be equal to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 30 degrees is 150 degrees. So this angle here would also be 150 degrees. Okay, so 150 degrees. And then we can just go angles around the point to find this included angle here so that we can use the cosine rule to find xz. So if you say 360 degrees minus the 150 over here, minus the 150 over here, this would give you 60 degrees for xyz angle. And then we're just going to use our cosine rule or identity, which is y squared equals y squared over here. Y squared equals x squared plus z squared minus 2xz cos of y. And then you would get the answer of 22 kilometers, if I'm correct.